Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log into Gmail account on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmail applications, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And if you want to log in, you just have to tap on this icon at the top right in the corner, which is a profile icon. And if you want to log in, tap on this add another account. Now go to this Google options. This will be look like this guys. If you want to log in here, you just have to enter your Gmail first, your email address. Now tap on the next button here at the bottom. And after next step, you just have to enter your Gmail password. Now tap on the next again. This is my Gmail address, yeah guys, my Gmail account that I want to log in to the Gmail application on my phone. And then in this pop-up, I'm gonna tap on this not now. I'm not going to save my password to Google. And now in this page, I'm gonna tap on skip. And now tap on agree. And when it's go back to this Gmail page, which means your Gmail account is already logged into the Gmail apps, guys. This is my Gmail that I have logged in before. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.